soon as I walked outside of the hotel room, the inside of my nostrils froze up, and so right now I'm having to every once in a while breathe through my mouth because it's so cold. And it really, it's hard to describe. I know I'm a reporter, I'm supposed to give you some sort of idea, but the way that the wind cuts across your face, it's almost as if someone is pressing an iron on your face, but it's not heat, it's cold. And so every time that wind comes over, it really feels like someone's kind of pressing the cold against your face. And a few times, because the
Sunday, 14th of December. We have a major blizzard going on. Right now the air temperature is -10. The wind chill, according to the internet, -40 degrees, and as you can see, it is absolutely brutal out here. You can see maybe 200 feet in any direction. There's the house. The drifts are starting to climb up. You can see there drifts here that already started. We're about halfway done, I guess, this storm. When that wind picks up, you can sure feel it. Brutal actually. Luckily, I'm only about 20 feet from the house. I'm not actually. When I walk up here, you can see these drifts that are piling up. I think for a bad Monday. This stuff. As you can see, I've got trash cans here. They're about, I don't know, 4 feet tall. 4 feet tall. See that drift right in there. Just go in the backyard and see what's going on back here. Well, there's a couple houses back there you may or may not be able to tell. That wind is just brutal. A nice North Dakota winter day. Can't hardly even see. It's so darn cold. Boy, that wind is whipping out there.
Is it like whipping?
It's like cold.
And you're not afraid of, no, because it went down for a different.
We're continuing on here with this blizzard. Wind is just raging out there. I'm standing in the garage door here. I'm not even going outside anymore. It's just too cold. As you can see where the snow is drifting up here by the sandbox. These trees are moving around pretty good. The wind's still coming through here a good 35-40 miles an hour with some gusts. Whew. I have a feeling that getting out of this driveway tomorrow morning is going to be pretty tough. I'd say that drift behind the car is probably a good 3.5, 4 feet from behind there. Visibility seems like it's gone down even further. I don't know if there's just more snow coming down or if the wind's just picked up, but it's still blowing pretty good.